Let us continue solid state. In this solid state, we have considered this FCC. It is a FCC unit cell. Okay, this is a this we will call it. This we will say FCC unit cell. Okay, this is FCC unit cell. In this FCC unit cell, which is octahedral void, that we have to see. Which is octahedral void. In last class we discussed body center is octahedral void. Now we will see, is there any other places called octahedral void? For that we will consider this is one phase center. This is one phase center. We will consider this phase center. Will consider then this phase center. Will consider this corner. Will consider this corner. Will consider. Okay. So we are considering this is one corner. This is one corner. This is one phase center. This is one phase center. We considered it. Why? To say, is there any other octahedral void possibility is there or not for that case? Sir. Now, we want to say octahedral void. We want 6 constituent particles. One is this, second is this, third is this, fourth is this. What about fifth and sixth? What about fifth and sixth? That we will see. Now, here 2 corners are there. Here you see 2 corners are there. Next, if you see face center, in this front face, you see the front face. In the front face, if you see, here 2 corners present. 2 corners present. Next, face center is present. Next, 2 corners present in the front face. 2 corners present. Next, what will be there? That you think and say. Yes, see, you consider front face. You are considering front face. You are considering in this front face, this and this corners. Correct? Corners. In the you are considering which face means front face. You are considering front face. In the front face, this tick mark and this tick mark corners. This is what means face center. This is what means face center. In the front face, next what means corner, corner, corner. Next what? Next is what? Next is 2 corners. Do you say, or do you say face center? Do you say face center? If you in the lattice, we have to say no. In the lattice. So next what will come? So if here in the front face, we are considering front face. Here these 2 are 2 corners. Next, if you see face center. Next, if you see 2 corners, next is what? What is the next? What do you see? What is the next that you will see? Next is what do you see? Sir, we will see the lattice. We will see the lattice. How the lattice is there, that we will see. Then we will come to this point. Now, we have taken a lattice, we have taken. Okay. In this lattice, we will see FCC unit cell. This is a center point. From center point to this center point we will take. From here, we will go to this center point. We will go to this center point. Then from here, we will go to this center point. Then let us join these 2 center points. These 2 center points. It is it looking like a square face? This yellow color ball, is it a face center? Is it looking like a square face? Is it this yellow color ball? Is it a face center? Okay. Next, this center point. Let us join. Then this we will join to this center point. Then these 2 will join. So it is a square face. In this square face, this yellow color ball is the face center. Next, we'll continue like this. Then let us join these two. So it is the square face. This yellow color ball is the face center. Okay. So this is one FCC unit cell. This is one FCC unit cell. Okay. So this we will say it is one FCC. This we will say one FCC unit cell. This is one FCC unit cell. Sir. Now we will continue. Next FCC unit cell we will continue. So now we will continue to next FCC unit cell. Here, it is center point. Here center point will join. It is a one square face. For this square face, it is a face center. Then we'll continue like this. We'll continue like this. Okay, this is center point. The center points will connect. Now it is a square face. For this face center is here. Correct? So now we will consider. We will think here. This is corner. This is corner. Two corners. This is face center. Next, this is corner. This is corner. Next what? Face center. Front face only we are considering. This is corner. This is corner. Next what? Face center. Correct? So now you see these two are corners. Next is what? Face center. Next face center what? Corner, corner. Correct? After corners, next what? Face center. So it is face center means next corners. Next what? Face center. Next corners. Next what? Face center. Next corners. Next face center. Next corners. Next face center. Correct? So now you say, using this you say. Now we will go for that question we will go. So now we will go for that question. Okay, we have taken this. Now you see, front face you consider, this is corner, this is corner. In the front face, these two are corners. Next what? Face center. Next what? Face center. Next is what? Corner 1, corner 2, two corners. What is the next? In the front face, what is the next? Two corners or face center. What do you say? Next is what? For front face, next is two corners we will get or face center we will get. What do you say? Do you say this A do you say or B do you say? Which do you say? Which do you want to say? Okay, so here this is in the front face, this is one FCC unit cell. Okay, in the lattice, if you see, next unit cell will be there. Okay, in the lattice, this unit cell is joined to another unit cell. Like this, infinite number of unit cells joined together and forms a lattice. Correct? And forms a lattice. So now you say that. Now you say in this front face, these two are corners. Next one is a face center. After this face center, two corners. Next will be what? Two corners do you say or face center do you say? If you continue, sir, how to continue? That you are asking. Sir, how to continue? That also will say. That continuation also will say. So continuation is this. So we continue. Okay, we continue. Now you say at this place is what? This place is what? Do you say face center or do you say it is corner? What do you say? That point you say. Okay, here you see that these two are corners we said. Next, what is this means? Face center. Next, what we said means two corners. Next one, we are continuing. We have to continue. We are considering a lattice. So we are continuing. What is this one? Sir, you may be having a doubt. Already we have shown one FCC. Now we are showing another FCC. Whether these two are same or not, that may be your doubt. Whether this is one FCC unit cell, already we have shown another FCC unit cell, whether these two are same or not same. In that way also you may be asking a question. Sir, you may be having a doubt. Sir, first we will see regarding that. So first we will see regarding that, we will see whether these two are same or different, that we will see. Sorry. So now first we will take this one, we will take. So FCC means how we will take, in what way we will take. Normally what we will take, like that we will take, you may be like that we will take, then we will compare with this whether it is correct or wrong, that we will say. So first we will draw one line. Next we are drawing another line like this. Let us join these two. Let us join these two. Then we'll take next line. Let us join these two. Let us join. Next we'll take another line. Let us join these two. We have taken this. We are joining these two. We have joined these two. Sorry. Now we will place in the corners, we will place constituent particles in order to say FCC unit cell. In the corners we will place constituent particles. In the corners we placed constituent particles. Okay. Then in the face centers we will place constituent particles. In the face centers we are placing the constituent particles. In the face centers we consider constituent particles. This is what means FCC unit cell. Sorry, this is FCC unit cell. Next we will see. Next we will take one line I am drawing. I will take another line. Let me join this. I will take a line like this. I will join these two. I will join these two. Then I will connect like this. Okay, like this I have taken. Now what I will do means I will place corner atoms. I will place. So 1, 2, 3, 4th, 5th I placed 6th, then 7th and 8th. 8 corners I placed. So 8 corners I placed like this. Now I will divide this into 8 small cubes. Now I will divide this into 8 small cubes. Wantedly I am doing. I am dividing this into 8 small cubes wantedly. So like this I will draw. Sorry. So now I have drawn like this. Okay, so we have converted this into 8 small cubes. Now we will keep face centers. We will keep face centers. Face centers. It is a top face center, right side face center, left side face center. It is a front face center, front face center. It is a back face center, back face center. It is a bottom face center. Okay. Now you say whether it is FCC unit cell or not. You say whether it is FCC unit cell or not. This is a corner. This is corner. Is it FCC unit cell or not? This is FCC unit cell. It is also FCC unit cell. No, there is no difference. No. Okay. Like that only we consider this. So this we can say FCC unit cell. We can say. Okay. So we are saying this is what means a FCC unit cell. So we are saying that this is what means this is FCC unit cell. We can say. So in this FCC unit cell, now this is the front face. This is the front face. In this front face, these two are corners. Okay, these two are corners. Next one is this is face center. Next, these two are corners. Okay, these two are corners. Now next is what? Next is corner. Do you say or face center? Do you say? What do you say? Do you say next is corner? Do you say or face center? What do you say? This one. This is what? This one is a face center. Do you say or corner? Do you say? In the lattice, how it is there? In the lattice, how it is there? That also you know. In the lattice, how it is there? That you know it. Correct? So now you say that this next one. This next one is corner. Do you say or face center? Do you say? For which we will see the lattice also. How the lattice is there, you see. In the lattice also I will show. I will say in the lattice. Now you see this lattice. In the lattice, how it is there, you see. Okay, so you have taken this lattice. So in the lattice, you see how it is there. This is what face center. This face center. This is what corners. This is what corners. This is what face center. These two are corners. This yellow color ball is face center. This brown color is corners. Two brown colors corners. This yellow color ball is face center. Next, two brown color balls are corners. Next, yellow color ball is face center. Okay, in the lattice like this is there. In the lattice, how the FCC unit cells are there means like this it is there. In this way you say. In this way you say how it will be there. In that way you say this one. In that way you say this regarding this. Do you say this is these two are corners or face center? What do you say? Now you say. Okay, now you see. This is front face you have considered. This is corner, two corners. Next what means face center? Next what means face center? Next what means two corners? Next what means two corners? Two corners. Next one is what? Next one is this particle is shall we consider that is as a corner shall we consider or face center shall we consider? Sir, you are saying that next one is what means corner you are saying. This is what means corner you are saying. Sir, whether it is correct or wrong, that we have to check. Whether that is correct or wrong, we have to check it. Sir, so we will see the lattice again then. We will see the lattice. In the from lattice only we can explain. Sorry. So we will take lattice. So we took lattice. This lattice we will explain. In this lattice, We will explain again. Okay. So I will rub this one. Sir. Now we will take. Now this is a corner. From this corner, I will make a line to another corner. Then I will make a line to another corner. Then I will make a line to another corner. Then two corners I will join. Now joined one is corners. This yellow color ball is what means face center. Okay, it is a square. It is a square face. In this center, in the square face center, yellow color ball is there. That is called face center. Now we will take another corner. We will take. We will join corners. Will join corners will join. It is a square face. In the center, a yellow color ball is there. Will join corners will join. Corners will join. So this is a square face. In this square face, yellow color ball is there. That is what means face center. Next, we will continue in any direction. This direction we are considering. This is corner. This is corner. Corners we connected. This is a square face. In this square face, this yellow color is a face center. Next, we will continue. This is a corner. This is corner. This yellow color ball is face center. Like this, we will continue here. This is a corner. This is corner. This corner. It is a square face. This yellow color ball is face center. Next, we will continue here. This is a corner. This is corner. This yellow color ball is face center. Okay. So like this, we will continue in this direction also. We'll connect this to corner. This side corner. Here connected to corner. This yellow color ball is face center. This corner we have connected to another corner. So next corner, this yellow color ball is face center. Next this corner. Next corner. Next corner, this yellow color ball is face center. This is connected to corner. Connected to corner, yellow color ball is face center. Like this, you can continue in whatever the direction you want, you can continue. So this is corner to this corner to this corner to this corner. This is the face center. Now you see that. Now we'll take that this is corner, this is corner. Okay. For two corners, next is face center. For face center, next is what? Corner, corner. Next is face center. Next is what? Corner, corner. Next is what? Face center. Next you see corner, corner. Next is face center. If you see here two corners, for that next face center. In whatever the direction you go, how it is there, see. So here two corners. Next is what? Face center. Next is what? Two corners. Next is what? Face center. So how it is there, you got an idea? So now you say that neighboring two corners, what is there? That you say. So for these corners, neighbor is what? Face center. For face center, what is a neighbor? Corners. For corners, what is a neighbor? Face center. Correct? So in this way, that you got, if you got this point, you can say answer for a discussion. Now we will see this. Now you say this one. You see that this is a corner. This is corner. These two are corners. Next one, what means? Face center. Next one, what means? Two corners. Now continue like this. What is this? What is this? Okay, you are saying that it is face center. Sorry. So you are saying that this is face center, you said. Okay. So that is face center. Okay. So you are coming to the conclusion that this is face center. Okay. Next, we'll take now we'll take another one now. We'll leave this one. This and all will rub it. Now we'll take this is a corner, this is a corner. Okay, two corners. Next one, what means face center? This is corner, this is corner. Now we will continue. Now I continued. Now I will take this. What is this? Do you see? This one I have continued. So again I will say this I will continue. This line I will continue. I continued. Now I will take this. Do you say this one is this one? Do you say face center? Do you say or corner? Do you say? What do you say? Okay. Now you see. So you are saying that face center. You are saying, sir. So you are considering this is as a face center. Okay. So you are saying that this is what means face center. You are saying, sir. This is face center. You said. So this is face center. This is face center. This is face center. It is face center. This is corner. This is corner. Now we will take. Now we want to go for octahedron. For that case only we are discussing this. Octahedron we want to go. So we want 6 constituent particles. We want 6 constituent particles. Number 1, this corner. Number 1, this corner. Oh no, this is not. We are not taking this. Okay, so we will take what means this is number 1. This is number 1 corner. It is number 2 corner. This is number 3 face center. It is number 4 face center. It is number 5 face center. It is number 6 face center. Like this we consider. So which particles we are considering? Okay, have you got idea? Sir, those particles we will consider. So now we will consider what are the particles. What are the particles means? One is corner. This is one corner. This is a second corner. Next, this is one face center. This is one face center. So 4 particles we have shown. Now we will say remaining 2 particles. So we will continue here. So we will continue here. Here we will say face center. This is one face center. Next we will continue. We will continue here. So we continued. Here we will say face center. We said face center. Okay. We took 6 particles. So to say octahedron, we want to take 6 particles. So 6 particles, what means? One corner. It is second corner. This is face center. Second face center. Third face center. Fourth face center. 6 particles we took. So to get octahedron, we want 6 particles. So we took 6 particles. If we get 8 triangles, then we can say octahedron. Sir, we will get 8 triangles or not, we'll see. First, we will join these 2 face centers. Next, we'll join these 2 face centers. Next, we'll join these 2 face centers and these 2 face centers. Now we will go for a triangle. Now I will make a line from this face center to this corner. Then this corner to face center. Is it a triangle? Is it one triangle? So this face center to corner to this face center, we will give number 1, number 2, number 3. So 1, 2, 3. Is it a triangle or not? You think it. Number 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Is it a triangle or not? You see. Sir. So we can say it is a triangle. Sir. Next we will go for next. Now we will join this one and this. So now we have taken, this is number 1, it is number 2, it is number 3. So 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 1. Is it a triangle or not? See, sir. So we can say it is a triangle, sir. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 3 triangle we said. So we got 2 triangles. Next we will join these 2. We have joined these 2. Okay. So now we will take number 1. It is, this is number 2. This is number 3. From 1 to 1, 2, 3. Is it a triangle or not? Yes, it is a triangle. Sorry. Next we will see. Number 1, number 2, number 3. Number 3. So 1, 2, 3. It is a one triangle. So totally how many triangles we got? Totally how many triangles we got means we got 3 triangles. Sorry, 4 triangles we got. So we got 4 triangles. 4 triangles we got. Next we will see from this corner we'll see. Let us join these 2. Let us join these 2. Now let us take, it is number 1, it is number 2, it is number 3. Now 1, 2, 3 is a triangle. Sorry. So 1, 2, 3 is a triangle we said. Sorry. Next we will see. Next we will take this and this we will join. Sorry. We will join this corner and this will join. Now we will take it is number 1, this is number 2, this is number 3. Okay, this 1, this is number 2, this is number 3. It is a triangle. Sir. So we said triangle we said. Sir. Next triangle we will see. Next we will start from here. We will go to this place. So this is number 1, it is number 2, this we will take number 3. This is a triangle. This is a triangle. Sir. Next we'll see next one. This is number 1, it is number 2, it is number 2, this is number 3, this is number 3. Okay, so 1, this is number 2, it is number 3. Is it a triangle? Yes. So how many triangles we got? We got means we got 4 triangles we got in this one. In this bottom we got 4 triangles. So here 4 triangles are there, here 4 triangles are there. Therefore we can say totally 8 triangles. Due to 8 triangles we can say it is octahedron. Now we will select a center of octahedron. We will select. Okay, here center of octahedron we will take. Now we will take a center of octahedron we want to take. So this point we will take. This point we will take it as center of octahedron. Center of octahedron. Center of octahedron. What is this called? Center of octahedron is called what? Okay, this is octahedron. Okay, this is octahedron we are saying. In this octahedron center point we took. This center point is called what? What do you say? This center point, do you say is it a void? If you say it is a void, will you say it is a octahedral void or tetrahedral void? Sir. So if you are saying this is void, so void means you are saying that it is octahedral void. Okay, so you are saying it is octahedral void. So this is which void means octahedral void. Sir, so this point you said octahedral void. That means this point you are saying this point is called what means octahedral void you are saying. Sir, okay. So you are saying that that point is called octahedral void you are saying. So now we will take now we will consider this. This is the corner. This is the corner. A line joining two corners is called edge. A line joining two corners, a line joining two neighboring corners is called edge. Now we can say this point we can say edge center. We can say edge center. This point we can say, this point we can call it as edge center. See, this is corner, this point is corner, this is corner. These two are neighboring corners. A line joining two neighboring corners is called edge. So this is called, this point is called edge center. Now what is this edge center in the FCC? Edge center in FCC is called what? Edge center in FCC is called what? Octahedral void. Okay, so edge center in FCC is called octahedral void. Yesterday we said this is body center. This is body center, we said body center. This body center is called octahedral void, we said. This is body center is called octahedral void, we said. Today we are saying edge center is called a octahedral void. So in FCC, which are octahedral voids? In FCC, which are octahedral voids means body center and edge center are called octahedral voids. Okay, so we got the conclusion. In FCC unit cell,